the graduated type for measuring chemical, including measuring cylinder, graduated pipette, and burette. The graduated pipette is quite similar to volumetric pipette. We use our finger to control the flow rate and get the desired amount of chemical. Because of their wide necks, it is less accurate than the volumetric pipette. However, graduated pipette is more flexible because we can get different amount of chemical rather than fixed amount in volumetric pipette. Now we're watching a video showing how to use a burette.
Before going and getting your burette, make sure your burette clamp is firmly attached to the retort stand. This means when you move the clamp, the retort stand moves with it. A burette is made up of two parts: the large graduated cylinder with milliliter measurements, and the stopcock, which controls the rate of flow. The stopcock is open when parallel to the burette and closed when parallel to the counter. Rinse your burette out with deionized water. This is usually located at the sink. After doing so, you can now rinse it out with a few milliliters of the reagent you are using in your experiment. It is important to do this as it is the major source of error in most titrations. You're going to want to swirl the reagent along the burette, getting a good coating. Make sure your stopcock is closed so that no reagent flows out. And when you're finished rinsing it, you can just allow it to flow into a waste beaker. You should repeat this process 3 times. Now that we've filled the burette up with the reagent past the 0 mark, we can put a piece of paper behind it just so that you can see it a little more clearly. We're going to open the stopcock and lower it down to the 0 mark. If you miss the 0 mark, it's no big deal. Just record the point that you start from. And that looks about right. Before going,
Okay, you can see the video showing how to use the apparatus. However, remember that the practice makes perfect, so you should practice a lot in the laboratory. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the laboratory. Thank you.